Deloitte Cyprus has recently published its annual Tax Facts Guide, which provides comprehensive and up-to-date information to taxpayers and business community at large on the tax system of Cyprus. This year's Tax Facts is completely revised and updated to include all the latest legislative changes enacted by Parliament. Within the 50-plus pages of this guide, one can find useful information not only on the tax rates, allowances, and deductions, but also on all the Cyprus tax laws, which in general affect individuals and corporations based in Cyprus. Cyprus Tax Facts can also act as a useful guide for every finance director, controller, or accounts clerk who needs quickly and easily accessible information. The provision of tax services is one of the core service lines within Deloitte, both locally and internationally. The services offered by our tax practice cover the whole spectrum of taxation services, including business tax, indirect tax, VAT, global employer services, solutions for high net worth individuals, and cross-border tax. It's my pleasure to welcome you to the world of Deloitte.